Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with Zero to Income, and this is going to be kind of an FYI slash service announcement slash heads up. All right. If you use system.io and your domain name is registered with domain.com, you're going to run into issues. All right. What kind of issues am I talking about here? Okay, I'm going to pull up just one of my other websites here and I'm going to type in without the www, just tech Gremlin Warrior, just like that. All right. So it's already pulling my favicon there. It's remembering stuff. But the point here is that I can actually get to my site by just typing in Tech Gremlin Warrior without the www. I'm going to hit enter. Now, when we go up here to the address and open it up, see how it went to www? That's because I've got it set up so that if anybody types Tech Gremlin Warrior without the www, they're going to be forwarded to here. All right. Now, if I had my domain registered with domain.com, I couldn't do this. It's not possible. At least not with the way system works, and at least not with the way with domain works. All right. Obviously, it'll work with other domain name registrars. It'll work with Namecheap. It'll work with GoDaddy. Pretty sure it'll work with Name. So it's just a limitation that's going to happen with domain.com and with system.io. All right. I'm not pointing fingers at either one of these. I'm just letting you know that system.io has certain limitations. It doesn't play well with domain.com. Domain.com has certain limitations. It doesn't play well with system.io. So if you have system.io and you have domain.com and you're running into this issue where it's like, hey, when people try and go to mywebsite.com, they're not getting there. They're getting, it's a default page under construction is what they end up landing on. Okay. And there's no way to fix this, at least within the parameters of domain.com and system.io. If you go to system.io support, they're going to tell you to go over to domain.com support. If you go to domain.com support, they're going to tell you to go back to system.io support. And they're just going to keep doing this. They're just going to keep sending you back and forth. And you're going to pull your hair out. All right. All is not lost if you're using system.io and you have your website registered at domain.com. You have a couple of choices. So, one, you can go ahead and transfer your domain name to something like Namecheap. That's the one I would recommend. It just seems to be bulletproof, no issues. I love the support. Or you can go to GoDaddy. A lot of people like GoDaddy. I think the support there is awful, and that's all I'm going to say about GoDaddy. But you have to go ahead and transfer your domain name out of domain.com and get it into a registrar where you can do this necessary configuration changes that you need to do to make this happen. Number two is you go get set up on CloudFlare. Okay, this is the one I would go with because it's completely free, and frankly, even if you go and get your stuff set up on Namecheap or GoDaddy, I would still get things set up on CloudFlare. It's going to be, your website's going to be faster and it's going to be more secure. And I don't know why I haven't done it sooner. I've got 2 of my websites on Cloudflare. I really should have all of them on Cloudflare. It's just, it really is, it's snappy. I've noticed a big difference on the client websites that I've been working on, that when I put them on Cloudflare, it just, the sites just, they just snap right open. They just snap right open. It's a big difference. You notice it. You notice the difference. So that's what I would do. All right. So again, service announcement. If you're running into these issues, how do I make system.io work with domain.com? You don't, but there's a workaround. Okay. And it's one of 2 options. Either one, you ditch domain.com and you go get it transferred to another domain name registrar, or you can go ahead and keep it at domain.com, but you're going to go get things set up at Cloudflare and you're going to transfer your DNS settings from domain.com to Cloudflare. And then you can do the necessary configurations to make sure that anybody going to mysite.com gets to www.mysite.com. So there you go. Hey, if you're liking all these system.io videos that we do here, we have a whole playlist for you. Go check that playlist out. And that's it for now. Have a great day.